Hospitals have been filling up quickly, significantly driving the demand for pre-filled syringes. When you need syringe filling machines to supply much-needed orders quickly and efficiently, TurboFil Packing Machines LLC is ready to build your solution. Since its inception 2 decades ago, TurboFil has established itself as a worldwide leader in packaging machinery. We create durable and creative solutions for some of the toughest applications on the market with every project we take on. Our syringe filling machines are designed to solve problems and to make your jobs easier, more efficient, and more reliable. The machines we design are designed to be as easy to use as possible, meaning our machines require low maintenance and feature easy-to-use interfaces. From running multiple sizes of syringes on the same platform without much change to compact fillers, we always cater to your manufacturing needs. Our machines ensure you remain FDA compliant, featuring disposable pathways to change when filling different drugs. To get started building your syringe filling machines, go online to turbofil.com or call 914-239-3878.